My first memory of the Titon was when I was looking out the window, when it's always parked on the side of the yard. And it used to spend most of its time, summertime, and when it wasn't out with the thrashing machine, parked there. My grandfather bought it from Oakes Brothers in October 1918. He had it delivered. Your horses were commandeered for the war effort, and men as well. So he bought the Titon because it was more versatile. You could go ploughing and cultivating and do the thrashing as well.
This newsreel film of Titons being inspected by General Pitcairn Campbell shows how important food production had become in Britain's efforts to beat the Kaiser. It was shot in the same year as Edward's grandfather bought his Titon.
It cost him £384, which was quite a considerable sum of money in that sort of era. She uses oil, she doesn't have a sump, so you pour oil in and it goes through the bearings and then runs out on the ground. We reckon if we were doing a whole day's work, it uses about a gallon of oil. But it would be a thicker oil than this. It's a little bit thin and it uses more.
The elaborate starting up procedure has a ritual quality. Just like the horse, the constant loss oiling system means that whatever goes in one end comes out the other. The oil rag is the leg of Dad's pyjamas, and the jug was salvaged from the local army camp in 1918.
When you start, you put some oil in there and then you wind the handle about 25 times so you can hear it coming, squish out in the bearings.
A tractor was as idiosyncratic and unpredictable to operate as a horse, but the Titon was one of the most successful early American tractors. After a lifetime together, Edward gently cajoles the old girl into life.
Oh.
Or at least he tries to.
Oh, sweet. That's better.
International designed the Titon without a radiator. Cooling water kept in a large tank circulates to and from the engine. It gets up quite a steam during a hard day's work.
I think a lot of them went out of favour when farming went into depression. Some could get them to go and some couldn't.
As the boxes invested in better and better tractors, the Titon was soon left behind. Eventually, it was only used to power the threshing machine and to haul it from job to job.
So it's got a family link as well as the local engineering firm was the first tractor they ever sold. No intention of selling it.